The M12 23 gauge pin nailer was very small, very powerful. Puts a really nice hole in either hardwood or softwood.
It sits nice in the hand. You can control it a lot easier.
It's small, it's compact, it's super powerful for being such a small nailer.
Every time I've shot this gun, it's sunk every nail. It's really bad when you got a crown corner that the nail's sticking out, and now you got to try to hit that in. It splits the wood. Milwaukee Pin Nailer sinks them.
Very nice having the smaller holes. We're not filling them. I don't see that the painters are filling them, and they're not noticeable.
Set the nails at a good depth every time, no matter what species of wood it is.
We've been using the M12 23 gauge pin nailer with maple, oak, pine, MDF, had some cherry. I have not had one that didn't set. Every single one has set.
No hoses, no extension cords, no compressors. Makes for a quieter workplace. Quicker, faster. Just bring it in on the job and use it.
It's more convenient to have the cordless, just because if you've got to go to one side of the house, you're not moving a compressor, dragging a hose. You can grab the M12 and walk downstairs if you need to.
We've been going between 2 and 3 job sites before we have to change out the batteries.
LED light is great, especially with dark pre-finished cabinets. You get to see what you're where you're shooting it.
It has a very precise tip on it where I can see the workpiece very well. I can see exactly where that hole is going to be lined up.
Putting very thin cabinet pieces on, because they split very easy and it's very slippery. And with the double trigger, it makes it a lot easier. You can hold the piece and not have to worry about it trying to push the tip into it.
It's engineered design for the contractor. It's a nice tool.
It's a great addition to our line of tools that we have, and I couldn't live without it right now.
I think the M12 pin nailer definitely stands up to the Milwaukee name. They're fantastic. I wouldn't want to have anything else besides Milwaukee.